Hi guys, hi period 4. I haven't, at the time of this recording, haven't checked the grades yet from your quiz, but I will probably by the end of the day, and I'll try to get them in Para School. How are you guys doing? Just a couple of things. Good job about getting in to Google Classroom. Just keep it and keep in mind that we have that 30-minute slot. And for you guys, I believe it is, let's see, from 10:30 to 11 o'clock every day. And you should really be available during that time to be on our Google Classroom. There are times I might go live for a video lesson. You definitely need to check in and be present. I think that's a very good idea. I know some of you wait until the end of the day to see. I don't think that might be a good idea, especially now since we're getting into content. I mean, you have to show up to class when you're in school, right? Here's 30 minutes of time you have to be present, and it's a little bit later than usual, I believe. All right, so at least check in so that you and look at what the assignments are for that day, and if you need to be live with us and look at a live presentation or not. Okay, very, very important. So we are going to start a new unit. All right, and I know that these recorded videos are great because you can go back to them at any time. I'm hoping and I am encouraging you very much to continue to take notes, because writing things down while you hear it, while you see it, helps you retain the information. Okay, very, very important. So either you do it during the 30 minutes that during class time, or you come back to these recorded videos and take notes then. But I think you should still take notes and put those notes into your binders like you would if we were in school, if I was giving you a presentation or a lecture from a PowerPoint on the smartboard or at the whiteboard. Okay? So very, very important. So we have a new unit. So if you have your binder, you should have your binder. We're in a new section. I believe this is section 7. I believe. Anyway, right? So yeah, I think we're in section 7. So we're moving along, okay? This section is going to be on carbon chemistry. In college, we call it organic chemistry. What does the term organic mean? Okay, a lot of times you go to the grocery store and you see organic. Okay, what does it mean? What does organic mean? So actually, the term organic means from a living thing. And what do we know about all living things? What do we know about what element is in all living things? We started talking about that when we were doing atomic structure and theory. We talked about an element that is found in all living things. And if you guessed carbon, that's right. And we're going to be spending probably the next 3 weeks just talking about carbon and its responsibility to living things and its function in the life that we know of. Okay. In college, I started talking about college. In college, we have classes called organic chemistry, and it's talking just about carbon and its function in life. All right. A whole year sometimes is dedicated to that. And so we're going to start talking about today, why is that? What is it about carbon that makes us talk about it for 3 weeks in some form or another? And it makes colleges talk about it for semester-long classes or sometimes year-long classes. What is it about carbon? Okay, so that's what we're going to be talking about starting today. We call it organic chemistry or carbon chemistry. All right, so the term organic, we started talking about in the beginning of the video, is deceiving because you go to the store and you buy something organic, and what's the first thing you think of? You think, well, it means that it's fresh, or it doesn't have any pesticides or herbicides in it. Okay, and really the term organic technically means from a living thing. Well, that's kind of hypocritical because all the food we eat technically is from living things. So it's all organic, okay? But it also means that it contains carbon, okay? So when you refer to organic, it means that it's referring to something living. It came from a living thing, and it contains carbon, because that's what we know about. So I am posting today a video very short video that I want you to watch. And then I am going to, in the assignment section of Google Classroom, post a couple of questions that I want you to answer, okay? That I want you to answer from the video, and this will be graded, all right? Very short video, I think maybe it's 2 minutes, all right? And tomorrow we're gonna really start digging into carbon, all right? And its different forms and different jobs, all right? But I want you to think about what you know of that carbon's job is in your life or in our environment, okay? And that's going to be part of the questions that you're going to be answering today. All right? All right, guys, see you tomorrow.